Good afternoon, friends. My name is Alena Shautova. I'm an immigration attorney from New York. In today's video, we're going to be discussing 3 most common pitfalls when you are filing for citizenship by yourself. Citizenship in America is the ultimate goal for any immigrant or almost every immigrant. So it's very important to prepare that application thoroughly. Make sure that there is no room for mistakes, and of course, to avoid mistakes that can be avoided. Thank you very much for watching this video. Again, my name is Alena Shautova. I'm an immigration attorney from New York, but I do help people in all 50 states and overseas. On this channel, I regularly share United States immigration news and tips on how to improve your immigration status. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. Application for citizenship or naturalization form N400 recently changed. It became shorter, believe it or not, and it omits a lot of information that previously you would have to provide. But why do you think it's so? Well, it is so because the United States government improved their records keeping, and now what's going to happen is that as soon as you submit that N400 application, immigration officer is going to pull out your electronic records and compare the information that you're leaving on N400 forms with the information they have on file for you. It means that there is no room for a mistake. You have to make sure that you are consistent throughout all of your applications for green card, for naturalization, maybe for asylum if you filed for asylum before, to avoid that denial. Common mistakes include failure to, for example, list all organizations that you've ever been a part of. For example, when you filed for that asylum, you submitted proof, you submitted information that you were a member of certain political parties or certain non-profit organizations, but when you filed for citizenship, you forgot about that. Another common mistake would be failure to be consistent with your address history, which may result even in deportation proceedings for those who received green card based on marriage. So as such, make sure that you have a quality application with a consistent information, and of course, always be truthful. One of the reasons for denial of Form N400 application for naturalization would be presence of criminal convictions. Sometimes, some people believe that if an arrest occurred long time ago, even if the conviction was dismissed, they do not have to disclose this information to immigration authorities. Guess what? This is not the case. Information about all arrests and all convictions, whether they resulted in a conviction or dismissal, must be disclosed. You also must attach records confirming what happened. So, if for some reason you decide to hide this information, or if you just unintentionally omit this information, it may cause accusations of misrepresentation or fraud. Hence, please make sure that all criminal past is correctly disclosed on your Form N400. Finally, the most common problem when you submit N400 comes not from criminal convictions, because of course, if you have a criminal conviction of any sort, or even criminal arrest, you must work with an attorney. An attorney will caution you not to submit false information or not to submit N400 form at all if submission may cause deportation. The most common issue is when a person is convinced that they're eligible for citizenship and they neglect to educate themselves on the rules or qualifications for citizenship, and they do not have sufficient physical presence time required for them to qualify for naturalization in the United States. It means that if you were a frequent traveler abroad, if you spent abroad 6 months and more of your time while you held a green card status, please work with an attorney. You do not want to be accused of abandoning your status, and you do have to have very strong evidence that it was never your intention to abandon your green card status in the United States. Well, guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon.